Hello dear students, very good morning to all of you. Welcome you all to English language class. Hope you all are doing well and are safe at home and also enjoying classes, live classes. So, we are doing here transformation of sentences 1, and last day we learned how to rewrite sentences by changing parts of speech of a particular word. Okay, as if the particular word is noun, you may change into any parts of speech, maybe adjective or into a verb, okay, or vice versa. For example, the revolution gave freedom to all the slaves. So here freedom is, what is freedom here? Freedom, noun. So you may use in your sentence the verb form of freedom. What is the verb form of freedom? That is free. So the revolution freed all the slaves. Okay, so we have changed parts of speech of a particular word while rewriting or transforming. Okay. Second, we learn if you have if clause, so you may either remove if or you may exchange it, interchange it with other conjunction. So first I gave you may exchange, may interchange this if with unless. If you come to me, I will help you. So you may interchange if with unless. So unless you come to me, I will not help you. Meaning is same. Okay. You may use in case also in place of if. In case you come to me, I will help you. Okay. And another we learned that was using inversion. As in conditional sentence we have learned. There are 3 types of conditionals we have already learned. So there we are removing completely. If is completely removed. If you come to me, I will help you. Okay. So should you come to me? Here we have removed if. Should you come to me, I will help you. If you came to me, I would help you. So here also, were you to come to me, I would help you. Or should you come to me, I would help you. Had you come to me, I would have helped you. Okay. So here, original question sentence was, if you had come to me, I would have helped you. So you have removed if, and you have made that clause, have made that conditional clause, by removing if. You have made inversion in the conditional clause. So if you had come to me, means had you come to me, I would have helped you. Had you come to me, I would have helped you. Now another thing is to discuss, in place of if, you may use but for. Here. In place of if, you may use but for. Last day we already discussed. So here, first one you have to understand what is the meaning of but for. Meaning of but for is without. Okay. So first of all, you have to rewrite the sentence or say the sentence by using without. Then replace this without with but for. So if you hadn't helped me, I would not have succeeded. Okay. If you had not helped me, I would not have succeeded. So now I have told you, say your sentence by using without. So without your help, I would not have succeeded. Without your So here in place of without you use but for. Okay. So but for your help. But for your help. Now write the same. I would not have succeeded. Okay. Without your help, I would not have succeeded. So which but for your help, I would not have succeeded. Now let's come to second one. Sometimes we use participle also. Okay, in order to replace that if clause. So there are two types of participles: past participle, present participle. Present participle verbs ing and past participle verb third actually form. So see here, generally there are two conjunctions used. Okay, two prepositions used actually. So provided that or supposing that. So see here, if he comes, I will help him. Okay, so I will help him provided that he comes, or I will help him supposing that he comes. Supposing that can be at the beginning. Supposing that he comes, I will help him. So you can see, we can use if he comes, I will help him can be used in either the way. I will help him provided that he comes, or supposing that he comes, I will help him. Now sometimes here when you express contrast, have clauses having completely opposite ideas, abnormal ideas, then generally we use although, despite, or adjective has plus subject. Adjective has as plus subject. Adjective as plus subject. And poor as he is. Ill as he is. Okay? See here. Although he is poor, he is honest. So here it can be used. Poor as he is honest. Okay? Despite means although he is ill, he goes to school daily. So ill as he goes to school daily. Now here, or despite being poor, okay, he goes to school, he is honest. Despite being poor, he is honest. Now one more thing is there. Sometimes we use imperative mood in place of that if clause. See here. If you tell the truth, I will help you. Very imperative. You are ordering or advising. Okay. So tell the truth. Tell the truth, and I will help you. Same thing. Tell the truth. This is imperative. Tell the truth, and I will help you. Okay. In this way, I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. At home, you will go through the PDF page, what will be sent, and then you learn the rules. Okay? Bye-bye. Wish you happy learning.